A reliable tactical pocket knife is more than just a tool. It's a lifeline in critical situations. Hey there, my adventure crew. Welcome back to Huntscribe. Today we're diving into the top 5 best tactical pocket knives that are making waves this year. Whether you're survival gear aficionado, huntastic, wilderness warrior, or outdoor equipment buff, we've got something for everyone. Whether you're an outdoor adventurer, a first responder, or someone who values everyday preparedness, the right knife can be your trusted companion. From rugged durability to precision craftsmanship, these blades are designed for performance and reliability. Ready to discover the best options on the market? Let's explore the top 5 best tactical pocket knives that combine practicality, style, and exceptional functionality. Love what you see? Grab these amazing products through the links mentioned below in the description while getting the best deals. Your purchase helps us keep bringing you awesome reviews. Let's begin with the number 5 product on our list is Snake Eye Tactical. The Snake Eye Tactical Everyday Carry Opening Assist Knife is a must-have for anyone who appreciates precision and reliability in their gear. With a 9-inch overall length when opened, this knife offers a substantial blade size for both practical use and self-defense. The 3.85-inch stainless steel Haw Bill sharp blade ensures razor-sharp performance, making it perfect for cutting through tough materials with ease. Its aluminum handle provides a lightweight yet durable grip, offering comfort and control during use. Plus, the belt clip feature makes it easy to carry and conceal, ensuring that you always have it within reach when you need it most. Whether you're using it for everyday tasks or need a reliable tool in a pinch, this pocket knife will not disappoint. Are you ready to add this sleek, efficient tool to your collection? Don't miss out. Get yours now through the link. At number 4 is CIVIVI Praxis. The CIVIVI Praxis folding knife is a true standout in the world of practical, everyday carry knives. With its sharp 0.12-inch thin point blade, it's designed for precision-piercing tasks, making it ideal for everything from hunting to general outdoor activities. The ergonomic G10 handle scales feel incredibly secure in your hand, offering a comfortable grip during use. Do you want a knife that's both functional and easy to carry? The Praxis features ball bearings in the pivot, allowing for smooth and quick one-handed opening every time. Despite its size, it has a reversible deep carry pocket clip, allowing it to disappear into your pocket so you won't even know it's there until you need it. Whether you're hiking, camping, or looking for a reliable knife for your everyday carry, this knife won't let you down. Ready to elevate your gear with the Praxis? Grab yours now. The third one on our list is NedFoss FA48. The NedFoss FA48 is a truly versatile tool that combines practicality and reliability into one compact design. With its 5-in-1 functionality, it includes a large cutting blade, seatbelt cutter, window glass breaker, bottle opener, and 4 sizes of wrenches, making it perfect for emergency situations, outdoor activities, and everyday tasks. Crafted from 8C14 move stainless steel, the blade is not only extra sharp but also durable, with a hardness rating of 58 HRC. Need quick access? The liner lock mechanism ensures your blade stays secure but opens smoothly and safely. At just 8.2 ounces and with an overall length of 9 inches, this pocket knife is easy to carry and store, with a convenient clip for your pocket. Whether you're camping, working on DIY projects, or need a reliable rescue knife for your car, the NedFoss FA48 is a must-have tool. Don't miss out. Make sure you're prepared with this all-in-one knife. On number 2 is AUBEY Damascus. The AUBEY Damascus pocket knife is a must-have for anyone who appreciates craftsmanship and quality. With a 3.34-inch VG10 steel blade forged from 76 layers of carbon steel, this knife delivers razor-sharp cutting performance, making it perfect for outdoor adventures or as a prized collector's item. The black aluminum handle not only offers a solid grip, but is also corrosion and wear resistant, with beautiful CNC engraved grain for added style. Do you love knives that open with ease? The ball-bearing flipper design ensures smooth one-handed operation, and the liner lock keeps it secure during use. With an overall length of 8.26 inches and weighing just 4.44 ounces, it's lightweight and easy to carry. Plus, the included back clip and sheath allow for convenient everyday carry. Whether you're a knife enthusiast or looking for a reliable everyday tool, The AUBEY Damascus knife is ready to serve. What will you use it for first? Now moving to the last one is NedFoss Pocket. The NedFoss Pocket knife is a versatile, high-quality tool that's perfect for outdoor adventures and everyday use. Crafted from 8CR14 move steel, it offers excellent cutting performance and outstanding corrosion resistance, ideal for tackling various tasks. The drop-point blade with a black oxide coating adds to its sharpness and durability, while the ergonomic handle, made from a combination of G10 and aluminum, provides a comfortable, secure grip. This is a knife designed with precision and convenience in mind. Need an emergency tool? The seatbelt cutter and glass breaker make it a lifesaver in tough situations, whether you're cutting rope or escaping a vehicle. Plus, the thumb stud opening and convenient pocket clip ensure quick access when you need it most. Whether you're hiking, camping, or simply running daily errands, the NedFoss Pocket knife is a reliable companion. Ready to add this tactical knife to your EDC collection? So guys, this was the video about the top 5 best tactical pocket knife. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.